Hey, so today I'm gonna show you how to use as well, to, either or either. Both pronunciations are okay, and neither. So let's begin with as well and to. As well and to are usually used when you're agreeing with someone. Maybe it's something they said, or maybe something they like or watched. For example, let's say that you're talking to a friend and your friend says, "I love ice cream." It would be kind of weird if you just repeated what your friend said.
I love ice cream. I love ice cream.
It's almost like you're a robot or you're copying your friend. So instead of just repeating what your friend is saying, you can say, "Me too," or "I love it too," or "I love it as well." So you're basically agreeing with your friend and you're telling him or her you feel the same way. Either, on the other hand, is used with a negative verb when you're agreeing with something someone doesn't do or like. So you're agreeing with someone, but about something they don't like or something they haven't done. For example, let's say you know someone who's crazy enough not to like French fries. So they tell you,
I don't like French fries.
and you tell them,
Me either. Or me neither. Or I don't like it either.
by the way, it doesn't matter if you say me either or me neither. But if you say I don't like it either, then you can only use either. You cannot say I don't like it neither. There are other ways to use either and neither, but I'll show you next video. So practice and pay attention to other people using these words. Let me know in the comments if it was clear or if you have any questions so I can help you. See you next video.
Oh, I'm slipping away.